Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get gold plants and grow a garden Roblox. So now there's multiple ways that we can go ahead and approach this, but the first thing that's always good to know is the probability. So golden plants have a 1% chance of appearing, or a 1 in 100, and basically they appear naturally whenever you are planting or harvesting crops. And here are some things that we can do in order to increase our chances of getting some golden plants. So number one is plant a large number of crops. Though since the garden mutation is random planting, more crops increases your opportunities for it to spawn. Focus on fast-growing multi-harvest crops like tomatoes, blueberries, strawberries, or watermelons. To cycle through more plants quickly, fill your garden densely to maximize mutation chances. So again, it really all comes down to strategies in getting plants that don't take that long to actually grow, because the less time it takes for a plant to grow, the more opportunity you have to go ahead and plant more, and because of that, you have higher chances of getting golden plants. As you're able to tell, it did work for me. And next up, you guys could use sprinklers to boost mutation rates. So you could purchase sprinklers from the gear shop to increase the likelihood of mutations, including the golden ones. So you can go ahead and get the basic sprinklers, which is around 20,000 cycles, and it boosts growth, speed, and fruit size as well, indirectly helping you with more harvest cycles. I personally recommend that you guys use weather events like rain, which speeds up growth and applies the weight mutation, allowing faster crop cycles to try for golden mutations. And also consider AFK farming overnight to late mutations accumulate during weather events. And lastly, I want to go ahead and clear up one misconception, in that there's no specific crop that is required. The golden mutation can appear on any crop from carrots to high value plants like watermelons or pineapples. However, higher value crops with the golden mutation will obviously yield bigger profits. So for this example, we did get some golden carrots right over here. So as you would tell, it did actually work. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.